Hey guys, welcome to Dan's driveway. As you've already noticed, this ain't particular my driveway. It's a parking lot, but that's fine for now. At least it's a sunny morning in the northern outskirts of Hamburg, even though it's really cold, as you can probably see on the car. I think it's -4 right now, and I'm freezing my hands off filming this video. Still a little weird talking into that little camera right there, but I think I'll get used to it. So this is my daily driver. It's a VW Passat wagon. It's a 2-liter TDI, 150 horse stick shift. And as of now, there's 225,000 kilometers on the clock. And of course, a few things that are wrong with this car. It has a check engine light. Wow, big surprise, VW and a check engine light. I know, guys, I know. No, actually, one of the 4 glow plugs went bad, and apparently that's an emissions problem. So from this model year on, if a glow plug is bad, it throws a code, which sucks because I have my safety inspection, German safety inspection, next month in February, and with a check engine light on, it will not pass the safety check. So I have to take care of that. And of course, it's not 4 regular glow plugs. It's 3 regular glow plugs, and then there's one with a sensor. So instead of 50 euros, the 4 glow plugs are 200 euros. Thank God. Yeah. Also, this car reminded me of an oil change being due pretty soon. And I think I need to do the timing belt this year, because it's been 7 years and it needs to be done this year. Timing belt and water pump, because the water pumps are notorious to fail on these 2-liter TDIs, so I want to take care of that. And I think VW recommends 280,000 kilometers for the timing belt and water pump to be replaced. I just want to be ahead of the game just to make sure that there's no issues. Now, yeah, service due as of now, -2.5 degrees, and you can see the check engine light. The sun's pretty bright. I hope you can see that in the dashboard, but I'm pretty confident. Yeah, otherwise, Apple CarPlay, I didn't clean it very well. Yeah, just a few different angles from the car. It's in pretty good shape. The paint is in pretty good shape. There's no bigger dents, no bigger scratches. The previous owner of the car did had a few extras added to the trim level, to the comfort line. So we do have Matrix LED headlights. I think that was a 2,000 euro option back in the day. And we also have a hitch, which doesn't come standard. As of now, 16-inch wheels, steel wheels, winter tires. I do have alloys for the summer. Yeah, that's it. Now, why YouTube, and why is my name Dan's Driveway? Well, so since I'm 16, I've been working on, so all sorts of mechanical stuff, whether it was cars, scooters, lawnmowers, everything that I could get my hands on, basically. And I've been doing that in my parents' driveway. And over the years, I've learned that it's not that hard, I'm not a professional mechanic. I've never learned that. I never did an apprenticeship or paid for college to learn this stuff. So I, in fact, learned insurance business, but that didn't keep me from, working on cars. And I want to give you the confidence to work on your car. I mean, I'm not asking you for an engine swap. On my channel, you'll see little things that you're able to do. And I want to give you the confidence to do that in your driveway, because you don't need a shop. If that thought is, keeping you back from working on your car, it shouldn't, because you can do that, and you don't need a shop. Not for everything. There's so many things that you can do in your driveway, and if you're just patient and try to follow along, and you don't have a couple left hands, you'll be able to do that, and you'll do great. And that's the reason for this channel, and I want to take you along on this journey. So to everybody who stayed until the end, thank you guys for watching. I hope the glow plugs will be in the mail by next week, so I can start working on the car. I did order some tools for it as well. It's just a pair of special pliers for the glow plug connectors, but I need that because I don't want to break them. But I'll talk about that in the next video. Also, I hope I have some more news for you, because I'm acquiring a new car, and I hopefully can tell you all about it, at least a little ways, when I upload the next video. So we'll see. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.